Okay, so we made a bird trap yesterday. Imagine you're a bird going through here. Nuh-uh. We're gonna block you. If you try to get away from this side, dun dun dun, ultimate block.
Guys, this is how to make the acting secret to make
Shut
it.
up. Hey.
Okay, this is how.
Oh yeah, I just need some sage.
You can put in Funko Pops and a swing.
Okay. Our brother broke a sculpture we were painting yesterday.
No, that was Weston.
Yeah, our brother. So, yeah, how to like our bird trap. And we're also gonna have to get Liam's iPad because we're gonna gonna have to do bird sounds.
Yeah, yesterday was an apple fell, right?
Oh, the camera.
Okay, guys, so
Okay, you can see better.
this is your house. You never seen the downstairs?
I think they have.
Have you been here, guys? 'Cause this is my.
We're not doing a house tour for you two.
We're not.
Yes, you are.
No, we're just gonna get the iPad.
Have you guys ever seen me upstairs, you guys?
Yeah.
That's
They
getting the
have.
iPad?
Oh shoot. Okay. We're in our room.
Yeah, we're in
It's
the
a
room.
room, a bed, a bear, a giant fuzzy bear.
Yeah.
And our underground. Oh, I also have a fun box under the bed. Okay, now where's your iPad? Okay, I think your iPad is over here. Oh, the fox. Don't you see a fox? Nose, ears.
It's a race, though.
Where do you have to go? Where's the iPad?
There's iPad.
Ugh. iPad. See you in the backyard. Okay, we're gonna do the bird sound video. We'll see you on the iPad. Okay, we're pinning it inside. It's hard. Okay, bird sounds are ready. It's like birds are actually inside there.